making pancakes idea from an ASMR or something like that. I think it was that, unless I change it back to Aiden's vlog. Whatever, I don't remember. Okay. So I got my pancake batter. I know it's slime, pretend it is. Okay, let's turn on the stove so it heats up. This isn't a real stove, it's my light. It's my night light. Okay, ready, and okay, it's getting heated up. It's getting hotter, and here we go. Okay, now since we have our pancake, we have to flip it because the other side's probably terrible. I'm sliming my bookmark up. Okay, look how bad this side is. Now I have to make sure this guy gets all melted up. Eek. Eek. Weak. Doop-a-doop. Okay, we got our pancake. Time to flip it on. Pancake. Okay, let's get on the pan. It's time to deliver it across the world. Let's pack in our pancake because we're delivering it. Okay, we just write someone's name on it, whoever it belongs to. Now we are going to go and drive that across the world. Okay, we're done.